Jumbo everybody, in today's video we are taking down the Christmas decorations and getting ready for the new year, so let's go hit it. Alright, so first I'm going to take down the ornaments on the Christmas tree. So when I decorate my house, I tend to put the Christmas tree up first. It tends to be just like the easiest, quickest thing to put up. So it's kind of like a completion thing, I don't know. So I'm going to take the ornaments that have their own protective cases and put those in there, and then some of the ones that are like felt or plastic, or I'm not really worried about getting messed up, I just store all of those in a grocery bag. So really not fancy at all. And then some of the glass ornaments do have their own protective cases too. So just going to take those down and climb up here, take down the tree topper and put the tree skirt away as well. And then I'm going to go over to the mantle and take the creche down. I have a small plastic tub that all of the figurines and the manger goes in, and then that fits inside a larger bin with all the rest of the mantle decorations. And I tend to put things away by room in the house so that I can just easily take one bin to a particular room of the house when I'm ready to put things up next year. It just makes it a little bit easier. So this is the hardest thing to put up and take down, this garland on the mantle. It always just like is top heavy and falls down, and it's delightful. But anyway, that was pretty easy to take down this time. So then bathroom decorations, I just have like 5 in there. And so I'm just going to grab those, super duper easy, nothing too fancy. And then I just store them in a bin. And I kind of play Tetris a little bit with the decorations, just trying to see how they'll fit in easily and not get super scrunched and all of that. So then I have decor on the windows and in the kitchen, so I'm just going to take those down too. And then this is kind of what takes the longest to put out and take down, are the nutcrackers. A lot of them are Steinbach, and which is a very like high-end, delicate nutcracker maker. And so I take extra care in wrapping these up and putting them away in this plastic bin here, just to make sure they are protected for the storage. So just going to take some bubble wrap, and I have larger plastic bags that they fit into too. That Mickey is from Epcot. If any of you guys know, I'm a huge Disney fan, and that's from the Germany Pavilion at Epcot. Yeah, it is. And these smaller ones here that are left over on the piano, they are not Steinbach, so I just put those in individual grocery bags and then just store those in the plastic bin as well. Super easy. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is take down all of my Christmas cards. And what I do is I actually like to reuse the Christmas cards into gift tags for the following year. So I just cut them out, and it just makes it a little recyclable project there. And then the hanger, that is from Pier 1. I always get that question. So then this is in the front part of my house. This is my music teaching area, and so all of these ornaments on this Christmas tree are all musical instruments or have something to do with teaching, and they're not delicate at all. So I just store those inside a plastic grocery bag as well. I'm all about recycling, I guess. Just kind of store everything in those. And then the tree itself is pretty sparse, so I also have berries that I take out as well, and then just stick all those in a bin. And then the very last thing on the top is the tree skirt. This was from the Dollar Tree, I believe. It might have been Michael's from years and years and years ago, but it serves the purpose. All right, so this is the same room, just looking the other direction, just taking these decorations off of the armoire here as well. And I just store those in the same bin as I store the ornaments. So it just makes it really easy to pull them out for the following year. So then when I put them away, I have this little storage area underneath the stairs in the basement. And no, my bins don't match, but they all fit on that shelf. And I started out with like, I think 10 or 11 or 12 bins, and I am down now to only 6, which is really good, and there's room to spare in there. And so for the Christmas trees, I actually just bring them down to the basement and store them with some plastic covering them, and that's it. Like, I don't take them down, put them in a box or anything like that, because that's too fancy. Oh, somebody's at my door. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my kitchen. Things just kind of accumulate. So I just wanted to put away the clutter and spray down my counters with the Thieves Cleaner. Super easy. I don't have to get super fancy about it at all. And then I want to turn on my diffuser. So I have a Valor here that's almost empty, so I just emptied that into my diffuser, get that turned on. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into the eating area and clean off the table. Some clutter has accumulated there, and I want to spray that down as well. So I'm just going to put away the clutter first and then spray it down with my thieves cleaner. And while I'm at it, might as well spray down the window because I'm standing here. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of that taken care of and just wipe it up with a paper towel. Super duper easy. I love how the thieves cleaner works on windows too, like no streaks. It cleans all the things, and I'm not like gasping for air or feeling like I need to open my window because it's not like hurting my lungs or anything like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go and do the same thing on the mantle just to kind of clean up in there, as well as on the fireplace cover too. So then I want to get my floors done as well while I'm at it. So I'm going to do a quick little sweep around and a cute little mop in my socks there. And there we go. That is it. That is cleaning up after Christmas, getting ready for a clean new year. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you haven't already and you'd like to, hit that button down below, subscribe so you never miss a daily video. Happy cleaning for the new year. See you all tomorrow. Ciao.